Hey everybody, welcome. This is part 3 of a 3-part tutorial on how to manage your privacy on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and use lists to protect your privacy on Facebook. So let's get started. When you log into Facebook, you see this news feed and you see this list here called Friends. You can click on More. More will take you to this view where you see that you already have some lists. These lists are provided by default by Facebook. So we can just use these lists, or I could show you how to create a new list. To create a new list, you can just say create list, give it a name, custom, and say create. So when I go back here, I can see that I've created a custom list. So now how do we use lists? I'm going to show you how to use an existing list called restricted. When I click on restricted, it shows me that this list allows me to limit what I show to people. And to add people on this list, I can start typing in the name here. So for instance, I want to add my friend Susan to this list, because I don't wish to share some stuff with her. So she has been added to this list. So when I go back here and it shows and click on restricted, I can see on this list one person. So now what do I do with lists? What you can do once you've organized your friends into lists is that you can decide which lists you want to share with and which lists you don't want to share with. For example, if you're posting your status, and you don't wish to share it with the restricted list, you could click on friends, go to custom, and there are two options. Make this visible to friends, that's what you want. Friends of those who are tagged, maybe not. And you can say hide this from, so you can put in a list or name of a person here. So if I put in my restricted list, so all the people in my restricted list are unable to see this. So I can just say save changes and I can say post. So when my status gets updated, all my friends except for those who are on the restricted list are unable to see this. You can also do this with photos, where you go to your album and you say edit album. And when you see the friends here, you can go down here, drill down, say custom, uh, and do the same thing. And you say done. And all those people on your restricted list are unable to see these pictures. So this was just really simple way you can create and manage lists on Facebook. Lists are used by a lot of people on Facebook, and it's a good idea to protect your privacy with lists.